23andMe has filed for bankruptcy. People are rushing to delete their data. But here's why I haven't deleted mine, and I think it's a huge loss if everyone does. Over 15 million people have done 23andMe, and more than 84% of them voluntarily opted in to sharing their de-identified data for research. That makes it the largest database in the world where researchers can study DNA and health information. And the size and diversity of this database has led to discoveries that would not have been possible in most hospitals or university settings. And it's not just DNA. They're collecting millions of survey responses about health, lifestyle, and environment. And if everyone deletes their data, that research stops, like full stop. We don't get to ask those questions or find those answers. We are talking about real breakthroughs, like discovering genes linked to migraines, endometriosis, PCOS, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, ADHD, autism, glaucoma. I could go on and on. There are hundreds of studies that have identified genetic links from this database. These discoveries came directly from 23andMe research participants and would have taken decades to get through traditional research. Okay, let's be real. With the government cutting so much science funding, this type of research, unfortunately, isn't progressing like this in federally funded labs. Also, remember that 23andMe's traditional product is SNP testing. It's not a full sequence. Think of it like bookmarks along your genome and not the full book. This is good for population genetic studies, but doesn't tell us as much about you as an individual. So a lot of the theories of what people could do with this data just don't hold true because it is just SNP data. And unlike most genetic research databases, 23andMe's database has over 3 million people of non-European ancestry. And that matters because diversity in genetics means better results and more accurate science for everybody. Yes, I understand the fear around data being sold and privacy concerns, and I'm happy to talk about some of the protections that we have in another video. As of right now, they're still running with business as usual, and they've said that anyone who buys this data will have to adhere to the same privacy protections that they have now. And yes, I understand that that may not be the case because there's a lot of gray area, but deleting all of our data wipes out potential for new gene discoveries, especially in areas that are traditionally understudied, like women's health and rare disease. Potential for better science. So yeah, I'm not deleting my data, at least not yet, but comment and convince me otherwise.